Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into Webroot Premium, a security suite that combines device-level protection with online services for identity theft monitoring and recovery. Let's see if it's worth your consideration. Webroot Premium comes at a competitive price of $129.99 per year, making it more affordable than some of its competitors like Bitdefender Ultimate Security and McAfee Plus. But before we jump into the price comparisons, let's take a closer look at what you get with this subscription. With Webroot Premium, you get device-level protection for up to 5 devices and identity protection for 1 person. On the other hand, competitors like Bitdefender offer protection for 10 devices and 1 identity. While Avast One Platinum goes further, safeguarding 30 devices and your entire family's identity. Webroot's device-level protection is decent, but it didn't particularly impress us during our testing. Its identity theft component is entirely online, lacking a local presence on your computer. Though it offers credit monitoring through TransUnion, it's essential to detect identity theft early, and Webroot's transaction monitoring might not be as comprehensive as its competitors. In case of an identity theft attack, Webroot does provide 24/7 support for identity restoration. However, its monetary guarantee for remediation is $1 million, which is half of what some other competitors like LifeLock and Norton offer.
Norton 360 with LifeLock.
It might be pricier at higher tiers, but the top tier, Ultimate Plus, offers unmatched identity protection and unlimited licenses for Norton 360 Deluxe. To sum up, Webroot Premium is a decent choice, especially if you're on a budget and need protection for multiple devices. However, compared to other options like Norton 360 with LifeLock, its device-level protection and identity theft component may not be as robust.
Thanks for tuning in to our review of Webroot Premium.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews. Stay secure and stay tuned for more exciting content.